Surface area and volume. Today we will study about solid figure, third solid figure, that is right circular cone. How will you find the surface area of cone? See, let us take a piece of paper of circle. This is the center of the circle O. If you cut the sector from it, when you cut the sector, so it's shaped like that. कटने के बाद ये ऐसा दिखेगा, राइट? दिस इज द रेडियस, दिस इज द रेडियस. दिस रेडियस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? स्लांट हाइट. दिस रेडियस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? स्लांट हाइट. ओके. व्हेन यू टच दिस बोथ रेडियस, आप इन दोनों रेडियस को टच करेंगे, इट विल फॉर्म द शेप ऑफ कोन. जब इसको टच करेंगे ये सर्कल क्या बन जाएगा? सर्कल बन जाएगा. बेस क्या बन जाएगा? सर्कल. और इस शेप किसका बन जाएगा? कोन. So we have to find this area of this piece of paper. We have to find area of this region. इस region का अपन area निकालेंगे. That is a CSA of cone. ये क्या होगा? CSA of cone. So how will you find the area of cone? See here, we divide this sector. We divide this sector in small triangles. See here. We divide this sector in small triangles and so on. इस तरीके से अपन इस ट्राइंगल को डिवाइड कर देंगे. इसका जो बेस ट्राइंगल का लेंगे, जो कर्व है उसको बेस मानेंगे. बेस इसका B1 लेंगे, फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल का, सेकंड का B2, थर्ड का B3, फोर्थ का B4, लाइक दैट B5. इस तरीके से अपन क्या लेंगे? बेस ऑफ सिलेंडर लेंगे, बेस ऑफ कोन. ओके. सो दिस इज द लेंथ एंड दिस इज B1, B2, B3, B4. दिस इज द. So we know that area of triangle क्या होता है? Area of first triangle. ऐसे कितना पहले ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकालेंगे? Area of first triangle क्या होता है? Half base into height. Half base into height. What is base? What is base? Base is B1. And what is height? L. What is height? L. L is the height. Similarly, I will add all triangles. Add all triangles. So area of all triangles क्या हो जाएगा? Area of all triangles क्या हो जाएगा? Half base into height. Half second triangle. Half second triangle का base B2 है, height सेम रहेगी L. Third triangle का base क्या हो जाएगा? B3 and height is again L and so on. Okay. You take out half base common, half length common, half into slant height, that is height is common, B1, B2, B3 and so on. This B1, B2, B3 is what? When you fold it, B1, B2, B3 क्या बन जाएगा? सर्कल. सर्कल का क्या बन जाएगा ये? This B1, B2 becomes the shape of parameter of circle. ये क्या बन जाएगा? Parameter. So it is half into L into parameter of, ये सब जुड़ के क्या बन जाएंगे? Parameter of circle. So it becomes half into L into 2 pi r. Half into L into 2 pi r. 2 से 2 cut. So area of curved surface of cone is pi r L square unit. This is also called curved surface of cone. Curved surface of cone is pi RL. Now we have to find the total surface area of cylinder. Curved surface सामने वाला आ गया, CSA आ गया, pi RL square unit. Now what is the total surface area? Total surface area. It is pi RL plus base, area of base. Area of base is pi R square. Now take out pi r common, it becomes L plus R square unit. R square unit. So this is the CSA of cylinder, this is the TSA of cylinder. For finding CSA of cylinder, what we do? We divide the area of sector into small triangles and using the formula of one triangle half base into height, We add all the triangles, we add area of all the triangles, take half into height common, b1, b2, b3. If you add all the bases, it becomes the shape of circle, and the shape of circle and the boundary of circle is a parameter of circle, and parameter of circle is 2 pi r. दो से दो कट गया, and pi r is the CSA of cone. Now I will take first question of this exercise. Exercise 13.3. Question first. Question first. Find the base of cone. Find the diameter of cone. You have to find diameter of cone, whose diameter of the base of the cone. The diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter, and slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its CSA. Find CSA of, find curved surface area of cone. CSA of cone. Now see here, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Now what is R here? 10.5 upon 2 centimeter. Now pi is 22 upon 7 into R. 10.5 पॉइंट हटेगा तो ये 20 हो जाएगा into 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 0 0 will cut. इसको इससे काट दीजिए. It will become 7 1 जा 7 and 7 5 जा. तो 22 into 15 upon 2 centimeter square. Now multiplied this 22, 15 to the 30, it becomes 330 upon 2 centimeter square. It becomes 165 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of cone. Now I will take question number 2. Question number 2. Find the total surface area of cone. Find TSA of cone, question mark. If slant height L is given to you 21 meter and its base radius is 24 meter. Base radius is 24 meter. Slant height is given to you. Now, TSA of cone is what? TSA of cone pi r bracket L plus r meter square, because unit is given in meter and meter. Putting the values 22 upon 7 into radius is r. What is the r? Length is given to you, and what is the radius? See in the book. Slant height is this, base diameter is d is 24, so radius is 12. So r is 12 meter. So putting the values, r is 12, slant height is 21 plus 12 meter square. So it becomes 22 upon 7 into 12 into 33 meter square. When you solve it, you will get final answer. You can solve it and you will get the final answer 1244.57 meter square. 1244.57 meter square. Question third. Find the total surface. Find curved surface area of a cone is given to you. CSA of cone is given to you 308 centimeter square, and the slant height is 14 centimeter. Find radius of base and total surface area. Find करना है आपको एक तो रेडियस, दूसरा टोटल सरफेस एरिया, TSA of cone. Now, CSA of cone is given to you. What is CSA? Pi RL is equal to 308, and what is length? Is 14. Now, putting the values of pi is 22 upon 7. R is 14. R is fine, so you write R is R. L is 14. 308. Now, it will cut. So R is equal to 308 upon 2 into 22. Now, it will cut with 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 22 into 7 is 154. So R is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the radius. Radius we have to find. Now TSA of cone. TSA of cone is pi R bracket L plus R centimeter square. That is pi is 22 upon 7 and R is, what is R? R is 7. 14 plus, that is R is 7, L is 14 plus 7 centimeter square. So it becomes 7 7 cut 22 into 21. If you multiplied it, you will get 21 into 22. So 42 or 42, 484 is 464. It will become 464 centimeter square. So 42 into 462 centimeter square. Now, another question is fourth. See question number 4. Question 4. A conical tent is height 10 meter. एक conical tent है whose height h is 10 meter given to you and base radius r is 24 meter. Find the slant height. Find slant height. L निकालना है. Find slant height and cost of making tent. Cost of making tent is rupees 1 meter square. Cost rupees कितना दिया हुआ है? 70 rupees. We have to make a tent. Base में कोई कपड़ा नहीं लगा हुआ है. Only we have to find CSA. So CSA of tent is pi RL. Here it is R, here it is H. L is not given to you. First we have to find out slant height. This is slant height L. We use a Pythagoras theorem. L is square. This is a right angle triangle. L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L is equal to under root H square plus R square. So L is equal to H is 10. 10 का square plus 24 का square. So what is the square of 10? 100. 100 plus 24 into 24, 576. Now it is 676. What is the square root of 676? कौन बताएगा? 24, 25, 26 का? 26, 6 6 are 36, 12, 15, 12, 5, 2, 6, 6 is 36, 15. So it is L is 26 meter. Square is L is 26 meter. Now, what is the CSA of tent? 22 upon 7 into R is 24 into 26 meter square. This is the CSA of tent. So we have to find the cost. इसकी अपन को cost निकालनी है. No need to solve. Cost of making tent is कितना आ जाएगा? रुपीस कितनी दी हुई है? 70. 1 मीटर की 70 है तो इतने मीटर की इंटू दैट हो जाएगी 22/7 into 24 into 26. 7 से ये कट जाएगा 10 and you have to multiply 10 into 22 20 into 24 into 26. If you multiplied it, you will get the answer 137280 rupees. Okay.
सर ये फिगर
Question number 5. A conical.
सर you are not visible.
See on the board. It is important question. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter? This is a tarpaulin. This is a cloth, thick cloth, whose breadth is given to you 3 meter and length is not given. L is not given. You have to question mark find out. From this tarpaulin you have to make a conical tent which is open at the bottom. नीचे से open है. Whose height is given to you 8 meter. This height is given to you 8 meter and base radius is 6 meter. This R is 6 meter. This is given to you. Assume that extra length of material that will be required for stitching and wastage is approximately extra length for margin. ये लास्ट में जोड़ेंगे. Extra length for margin is 20 centimeter. Everything is in meter, so it is 0.20 meter. And use pi is equal to pi कितना यूज करना है 3.14. Now this is a cloth, thick cloth, tarpaulin cloth. From this you have to make a conical tent which is open at the bottom. नीचे कपड़ा नहीं लगा है. कपड़ा कहाँ लगा है? CSA पे लगा है. तो we have to find CSA of cone किसके बराबर होगा? CSA of cone किससे बन रहा है? CSA. CSA actually बन किससे रहा है? This area of this cloth, area of cloth या tarpaulin एक ही बात है. CSA of cone is equal to area of cloth. ये area of cloth किस शेप में? रेक्टेंगल शेप में. So CSA of cone is pi RL and length you take capital L and breadth you take capital B. So it is length into breadth. Now putting the values, pi is 3.14. What is radius? Radius is 6. Length we have to find out. Length we have to find out. This is slant height. Now we have to find out slant height. Slant height is equal to L is equal to h square plus r square का square root. What is h? Height is 8. 8 का square plus 6 का square. You will get 64 plus 36 का under root. Now L is equal to root 100. Now it is 10 meter. What is the slant height? 10 meter into 10. Put it here into 10. What is length? You don't know. Length you have to find out. What is breadth? Breadth is 3. Now remove this 100. Okay. 100 cut and 3 comes that side. Into मैं इधर लाएंगे तो किस में हो जाएगा? Divide में हो जाएगा. 314 into 6 upon 10 into 3. It becomes length. This will cut 314 multiplied by 2. So it will get 826 upon 10. So length comes out to be 62.8 meter. What is the total length? इसमें अपन क्या करेंगे? मार्जिन वाली जोड़ देंगे, है ना, स्टिचिंग वाली. सो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ किसकी? क्लोथ की, दैट इज tarpaulin cloth इज इक्वल टू 62.8 प्लस 0.2 इज इक्वल टू 63 मीटर. 63 मीटर. राइट डाउन. Question 5. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are, this is a conical tomb, his base diameter is given to you 14 meter and slant height is given to you 25 meter. So R is 7 meter. This is given to you. Now find the cost of whitewashing at the surface at the rate of, cost of निकालनी है, cost दी हुई है, cost of 100 meter square is rupees 210. This is given to you. Cost of whitewashing. This is cost of whitewashing. 100 मीटर स्क्वायर के हिसाब से अपन कितने रुपए दे रहे हैं? 210. तो 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का कितना देंगे? इज रुपीज 210 अपॉन 100 मीटर रुपीज. तो जितने भी मीटर स्क्वायर आएगा उसको इस कॉस्ट से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. नाउ व्हाइट वॉश कहां करा रहे हैं? CSA पे. तो CSA ऑफ कोन इज इक्वल टू पाई RL. So pi is 22 upon 7 into R7 into conical height 25. This is a meter square. Now this is a meter square. We have to find the cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing is rupees. कितना हो जाएगा? 1 मीटर की कितनी है? तो इतने मीटर की कितनी होगी? 210 अपॉन 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो 22 अपॉन 7 इंटू 7, 25 इंटू 210 अपॉन 100. दिस 7 कट आउट. दिस 25 4 जा कट आउट 11 एंड 2. इसको फिर काट दीजिए. 2 से 2 1 जा 2, 0 105. सो 11 105 into 11 501 501. It is rupees 1155. 1155 rupees. Now I will take another question. This is question number 6. Question number 7. A joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone of base radius. This is a joker's cap whose base radius is given to you 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. This height is h 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 caps. 10 caps बनानी है, ठीक है. How much area is required? So first we calculate area for one cap. एक कैप का एरिया किसके बराबर होगा? CSA ऑफ कोन के बराबर होगा. एरिया ऑफ वन कैप इज इक्वल टू CSA ऑफ कोन, दैट इज पाई RL. Here L is not given, slant height is not given, question mark. Now we have to find slant height. L is equal to h square plus R square. Now what is h? 24 square plus 7 square. It is 576 plus 49. It is 625. So L comes out 25 centimeter. Now putting the values. This is a area for one cap. So pi 22 upon 7 into R is 7 into L is 25 centimeter square. This 7 cut. Area for 10 caps. Area for 10 caps. Into 10 कर देंगे. 22 into 25 into 10. So multiply it. 25 into 22, 50, 50, 5. So it is 5500 centimeter square. This much area is required for making 10 caps. Now, question number 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, a bus stop barricade from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones. एक बैरिकेड है रोड पे, किससे बना हुआ है? दैट इज hollow cone. So number of hollow cones is 50 cones. कितने cones हैं? 50 hollow cones. Made up of recycled cardboard. It is made up of cardboard. Cardboard से बनाया है. It is made up of cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter 40 centimeter. Base diameter D दिया हुआ है 40 centimeter. So R is 20 centimeter. And height is 1 meter. This height H is 1 meter. Now, if the outer side of each cone is to be painted, इसको painted करना है. The cost of painting is, cost is given to you. Cost of painting is 1 meter square is rupees 12. 1 meter square is rupees 12. इसमें use pi is equal to 3.14 and square root of 1.04 is given to you 1.02. This is given to you. Now see here, this is given to you. Now इसमें भी अपन को क्या करना है? hollow cone है, नीचे कोई मटेरियल नहीं लगा, इट इज ओपन. सो एरिया ऑफ वन hollow cone कितना होगा? पहले तो एरिया ऑफ,
सर आपको कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग से रीड करना क्योंकि दिख नहीं रहा है.
ओके, एरिया ऑफ वन hollow cone, that is pi is equal to 3.14 is rupees 12. Now area of one hollow cone is equal to क्या होगा? CSA of cone is equal to CSA pi RL. So pi use 3.14, R is 20, L we have to find out. So again L is equal to under root H square plus R square. L is equal to, what is H? 1 meter. So 1 का square plus it is 20 centimeter. When you convert into meter, it is 0.20 meter. So it is 0.2 meter square. So L is equal to 1 का square 1.2 का square करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 2 के बाद पॉइंट लगेगा 4 आएगा, but it is 0.04. So L is equal to under root 1.04. इसका स्क्वायर रूट आपको दिया हुआ है कितना? 1.02. L is given to you 1.02. Now putting the values 3.14.
So what you have taken? What you have taken R here?
0.20 meter. 0.20 meter. Convert into meter. Convert into meter. Put it here. 0.20 means 0.2. Square it. It is 0.4. 2 के बाद पॉइंट लगेगा 4 आएगा, इस 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, but it is 0.04. So when you add 1 plus 0.04, it is 1.04. You will get 1.02. It is given to you. Now we will put it here R. Here it is 0.2. Here it is 0.2. So it is 3.14 into 0.2. Here it is 0.2. Okay. Into L is 1.02. Now this is the area of one cone. Now you have to find area of 50 hollow cone. So multiplied by 50. 50 into 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02. So if you multiply it, this will come down, this will come down, this will come down, this 50 will cut 2, this 2 will 2 cut. Now this finally it will come 314 into 102 upon 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग, इसको कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग इज रुपीज, इसको 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. 12 into 314 into 102 upon 100. When you solve it, you will get 384.34 rupees. 384.34 rupees. इसको जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे, you will get 384.4 rupees. here one more 0 will come because decimal after 2 digits. So here it is this, here it is this, then it will come this.